Hello and welcome to our how-to video on using Enterprise Recon 2.10 for cloud remediation. With this latest release, we are excited to offer capabilities to modify and secure sensitive data in Microsoft OneDrive for Business and SharePoint Online. You now have the power to act directly on match locations, allowing you to mask, delete, or quarantine sensitive data with ease. Let's dive into the workflow for OneDrive. After scanning data in OneDrive, you will see a list of locations containing sensitive data. You can inspect the file content directly from Enterprise Recon. For this demo purpose, we will also check the file content directly in OneDrive to verify it reflects what we see in Enterprise Recon. Simply select one or multiple locations, then choose Remediate. Here you are presented with options for remediation actions. Select Mask all sensitive data to redact the match data, replacing the characters from the middle of the match, ensuring the data is secured while maintaining the context. Successful operation status confirms that the data in file was masked. We will once again head to OneDrive to inspect the changes. We can see that the match data in file is redacted. If you choose to quarantine, you can specify a secure location within the same account or even a different OneDrive account, which can act as a centralized repository for sensitive files for enhanced security. In SharePoint Online, files and attachments can be moved to a dedicated quarantine folder within the SharePoint site. Selecting Delete permanently will remove match location entirely. To help track these actions, a tombstone file is left in place, providing clear insight of the taken remediation action. We hope this overview helps clarify how remediation with Enterprise Recon works in cloud platforms. For more detailed information, please visit our documentation. And if you need assistance, our support team is always here to help. Thank you for watching.